Counting happy dogs, audio track with the warm cue for female narrator. Slow and clear pronunciation, Puddles placid storytelling. Great for puppy sound effects. Chatter, laughter, birds chirping, butterflies fluttering. Soft fins, Rachel on the ends, bright ukulele, piano, xylophone, hand, quite acoustic guitar and light percussion. No copyrighted melodies or nursery rhymes, entirely original composition. Warm, exciting, and whooping. Happy ukulele, xylophone, gentle whistles, children's choir humming, la la la. Birds singing, soft bells, magical sparkle sounds.
Hello, little friends. Welcome to the wonderful world of counting happy dogs. Today we'll meet the puppies, count from 1 to 10, sing happy songs, and have an exciting adventure together. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Gentle piano, ukulele, notes chirping, butterflies fluttering.
Soft puppy footsteps, happy bark, ball bouncing.
Look, here comes Bingo, a fluffy golden puppy. He finds one bright red ball shining in the sunshine. Let's count together. 1, great job! Gentle ukulele, hand claps, happy whistle.
Puppy giggles, dancing footsteps.
Bingo reads his new friend Coco. Together they dance happily through the colorful flowers. Let's count.
1, 2, wonderful!
Gentle piano, sonophone, children's humming choir.
Words
Singing, gentle breeze.
Now Sunny joins Bingo and Coco. 3 happy puppies sing together beneath a beautiful rainbow. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why, seen in pink patty,
Wicked roll percussion. Water splashes, playful barks.
4 playful puppies jump over sparkling puddles.